Eh, English 2 by Diego Mosquera. I am from Carep. Identification. Eh, You want to spend a nice summer vacation. Come to Santa Marta and Honduras Rich Beach. The Rodadero is the preferred destination for those who visit Santa Marta. For it, for its soft white sand and cold sea for the practicing of water sport and is also surrounded with the best hotels, restaurants, and includes in this city. Playa Blanca is a quiet place surrounded with a mountain barrier, which is part of Parque Tayrona. 10 minutes with boat from the Rodadero. Walking, swimming, surfing, and tasting local cuisine is the perfect plan in this paradisiacal place. Paradisiacal place. Nivel 2. The water is wonderful. It rains very little. The temperature is 24 grados y 28 grados. It has very nice breezes. Recomendaciones. Vendor words are registered and carry the card are issued by the district government secretary can only enter street say e ons better had no inconvenience for access. Use Sucre following the recommendation of the living words to enter to be had better if had always humble when you leave home. It's good idea that always had sugar. What Owen to visit stay in an Echoa Parque Tayrona, Lot City, Yukon Natural Sanctuary. In Mika, you will have the best ecotourism experience. Travel to the Pass in the Quinta de San Pedro Alejandrina. Thank you.